Henry, bath time. Time to get clean.
No, Mom, I am too busy playing. I don't want a bath tonight.
Henry, you played outside all day. You are very dirty.
I don't feel dirty, Mom. I feel just fine.
Please, Henry, 5 more minutes and then bath, okay?
No, thank you, Mom. I want to play all night.
Henry, listen to your mother. Bath time is very important.
But Dad, water is cold and boring. I hate taking baths.
Everyone must stay clean, Henry. It's not a choice.
Fine, but I will make it super quick. Just wet my hair a little bit. That's it. All done.
That was way too fast, Henry. You did not use any soap.
Soap is yucky, Mom. It makes my eyes sting.
But soap kills the germs on your skin. Without it, you stay dirty.
I don't care about germs. I cannot see them anyway.
Henry, come back here right now.
Nope, too late. I am already in my pajamas. Good night, Mom and Dad. Sweet dreams.
That boy needs a real bath tomorrow, Amelia.
I agree, Edward. We will make sure of it. Good morning, everyone. Henry, why does your hair look so messy today?
I don't know, Mom. Maybe I just need a hat.
Henry, come closer for a moment. What is that smell?
What smell, Dad? I don't smell anything strange.
Henry, you smell a little bit like playground dirt. That is not a good for school.
But Dad, I showered yesterday. Sort of.
Sort of is not enough, son. You skip the soap and shampoo.
Can I just wear cologne instead?
No, Henry. That is not how hygiene works. Please off to the school now.
Hi, Henry. Want to sit with me at lunch? Sure, Leo. Let's go together. Henry, why does your hair look kind of oily today? Oh, I guess I forgot to wash it. I don't know, Leo. Maybe it's just my style.
Henry, can you come help me with this puzzle?
Sure, Tom.
Henry, your hands feel really sticky.
Sorry, Tom. I guess I forgot to wash them this morning. Class, everyone please wash your hands before lunch.
Okay, teacher. I am going now.
Henry, your hands are very dirty. Look at all that dirt under your nails.
I don't have time to scrub, teacher. Lunch is starting soon.
Hygiene comes first, Henry. Germs can make you very sick. Fine. I will wash quickly then. Hey, Henry, why do your clothes smell a little funny today? I don't know, Leo. I think it's just the outside air. Henry, please sit over here today.
Okay, teacher. Is something wrong?
I just think you need a little more space today, Henry.
Oh, okay, I guess.
Kids, please remember, bathing and washing keeps us healthy and helps us make friends too. Henry, bath time again. No excuses today, please.
But Mom, I already skipped it. What's one more night?
Henry, this is becoming a real problem now.
I promise I feel fine, Mom. See? No fever, no cough.
But Henry, do you feel a little itchy today?
Actually, yes. My skin feels kind of itchy and weird.
Let me see your arm, Henry. Oh my goodness, Edward, look at this rash.
What is a rash, Mom? Does it hurt?
It looks red and bumpy, Henry. We need to check this carefully. Henry, have you been washing properly this whole week?
Not really, Mom. I only wet my hair a little bit.
That explains it, son. Dirt and sweat can cause skin problems like this.
Am I going to be okay, Dad?
Yes, but we need to clean your skin very carefully tonight. This might sting a little, Henry. Please stay still for me.
Ouch. That stings, Mom.
I'm sorry, sweetie, but we must clean this rash properly.
I did not know skipping baths could hurt me like this.
Now you understand why hygiene matters, Henry.
I promise, Mom. Starting tonight, I will take real baths.
Let's start right now then. Come with me to the bathroom.
Okay, Mom. I am ready this time.
First, wet your whole body, Henry, not just your hair.
Okay, like this?
Yes, very good. Now use this soap all over your skin.
Even my tummy and my feet?
Yes, especially your feet, Henry. They collect a lot of dirt during the day.
Wow, I didn't know feet could get that dirty.
Now, let's wash your hair with shampoo.
Like this, Mom? Gently in circles?
Perfect, Henry. Now rinse everything very well. All the soap must come off completely.
This actually feels kind of nice, Mom.
See, Henry, bath time can be relaxing, not scary.
I think I was wrong about baths before.
Now let's check your rash again. Look, it is already looking a little better.
Really? That's great news, Mom.
Yes, but we must keep washing every single day now.
I promise, Mom. Every single night from now on.
That makes me very happy, Henry.
Good morning, Henry. You look so fresh and clean today.
Thank you, Dad. I took a real bath last night.
Your hair looks shiny too, son.
I even used shampoo properly this time. Hi, Henry. Wow, you smell really nice today.
Thanks, Leo. I am washing every day now. Henry, can you sit with us again today?
Of course, teacher. I promise I am very clean now.
Henry, your hands look very clean today. Great job.
Thank you, teacher. I scrub them every single time now.
Class, Henry has a very important lesson for everyone today.
Really? What did you learn, Henry?
I learned that bathing is not just about looking clean. It keeps our skin healthy too. That's right, Henry. Can you tell the class more?
Yes.
If you skip baths, dirt and germs can hurt your skin. I got an itchy rash from not washing properly.
Wow, that sounds scary, Henry. Did it hurt a lot?
Yes, Tom, it did. But now I understand why my parents care so much. What else did you learn, Henry? I learned to wash my whole body, not just my hair. Soap, shampoo, and water all work together to keep us healthy. That is a wonderful lesson, Henry. Everyone, remember his words carefully. Rule number 1, bathe every single day, even when you feel tired. Rule number 2, use soap and shampoo, not just water. Rule number 3, don't forget your hands, feet, and hair. Rule number 4, tell an adult if your skin feels itchy or strained. Thank you, Henry, for sharing your story with the class.
You're welcome, teacher. I am happy to help my friends stay healthy.
Henry, we are so proud of you tonight.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I really understand now why bathing matters.
Ready for your bath, son?
Yes, Dad! I am actually excited tonight.
That makes us very happy to hear, Henry.
Clean skin, clean hands, happy Henry.
Bath time is not scary anymore, everyone.
Remember, always keep your body clean and healthy.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Quiz time. Question number 1. Why did Henry get an itchy rash? The correct answer is B, because he skipped proper baths. Great job! Question number 2. What should Henry use to wash his hair? Think about it. That's right. The answer is A, shampoo. Question number 3. Which body parts should you always wash? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent! The answer is C. Wash your hands, feet, hair, and your whole body. Last question. What did Henry learn by the end of the story? Fantastic! The correct answer is B. Bathing every day helps keep us healthy. See you next time!